National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hoyt, Oregon, 24 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Storm spotters have also reported hail up to $half sized with this storm. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include 12 Mile Corner, Leader, Adina School, Hoyt and Adina. Precautionary preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Brief heavy rain from this thunderstorm may produce localized flooding,